I make fun of you in the vlog.
Alright guys, welcome back.
Flip the screen up so I can see myself.
Welcome back to another vlog.
Welcome to day 379 in
of quarantine. So today we have a small little project.
After absolutely destroying my car in Las Vegas.
Yeah.
It doesn't work. It doesn't turn on. I don't know what happened. So.
Wait, what else happened? You hit a bump, huh?
I hit a bump. You guys didn't watch the previous video? No, watch the previous video. But yeah, so it's either the HID kit. If it's not the HID kit, it's gonna be the bottom. What's the bottom thing? On the bottom of the light bulb.
Oh, I don't know what it's called.
It's okay, but we have an
It's the module thing.
Yeah, we have an extra one in the.
Yeah, in the garage.
In the garage, the small garage. So first of all, we're gonna take this apart. I got the new kit over there. Take this apart. I'm gonna replace both, just so I know I replaced both.
Yeah.
Let's get to work. You guys never take it. Tell me, is it rolling? Anyways, if you guys ever taken off the headlights on a 350Z, you're gonna get all the clips across. I have mismatching clips because
zombie time, Mr. Zombie Man.
See, man, I don't got money to be spending on my car. Even though I do want to start like putting money into my car, but I don't know what I should do. Like my plan right now is I don't know like what I should commit to. You know what I'm saying, yo? There's so many options.
Well, what are your options? What else are you trying to commit to, eh?
Huh?
Well, that we
Do
don't
I want
know.
to go for looks, or do I want to go for more HPs? Do I want to go for more ponies? Like, there's a lot of options. A lot to think about. So maybe you guys should comment down below what should I do. Because if I'm going for looks, I need new side skirts, new bumper, new headlights, new tail lights.
Look at these damn foggy headlights.
Actually, I was gonna go buy sandpaper and try to fix them up.
I really want to try that thing. Cause look, mine are getting bad too. Oh yeah, they're bad.
I wonder if all of those open.
Oh yeah, they got sandpaper.
Is it open now?
Oh yeah, it's open. Those are places that they're never gonna close because people need them.
I'm just saying that if you're trying to miss a couple bucks.
All we need is clear coat and
Clear coat,
sandpaper, right?
Oh, we need a polisher though.
Oh yeah, unless we hand polish. Cause I seen Chris Fix, he hand polished it and it worked alright.
Really?
Yep. He shows you how to detail a car, paint, headlights and everything with only like your hands, no machines.
Video that I haven't seen?
Yeah, he fixed this. He bought a car for $800. This little black truck.
Oh yeah, no, I have to watch it. All right, sorry for the delay, y'all. There's treasure. So basically, the screws under the fender. As you can see, my car's falling apart. So we just snip, and it falls off.
Did you just cut the wire things? The lumber?
Yeah, zip tight. On this one though, it's a little more complicated.
We're having some technical difficulties.
Alright. That's the bump.
Voila.
That's your bash bar. Actually, Loki kind of tempted to drop that and just get a bash bar. Anyways,
You can still put your bumper on with the bash bar, right?
yeah, but I'd go.
You go full bash bar?
Yeah. So there's two screws down here. I'm definitely missing one. And there's one up here, and there's one on the side. Right here. I'm gonna do the side one first here. Make sure your ratchet spins in the right direction. To the bottom, I don't know what it's called. The bottom module underneath the headlight.
Yeah.
Basically, these clip together, slap, and then basically your head. That's how you get all power to the headlight. Collect this bad boy, snip. And then this bad boy, snip. Oh. Oh. Don't get your colors twisted. That's gonna end real bad for y'all. And basically from here, whoever had these headlights had already modified them. So, just slightly undo this real quick.
Or you need that little thing.
If you see this is already sliced and diced. Basically, connect red spade and black spade. Don't get it twisted, y'all. That's going in poorly. Okay. So before we put it all together, you always want to test your shit.
Should I flip the switch then?
Cameraman, flip the switch. Flip, flip. Crossing my fingers here, brothers. Oh, and she turns on. We vibing. Hell yeah, let's go. Perfect. Whew. I've been driving around with a single headlight since I got back from Vegas. Trash. Actually, I need that. Fuck. Anyways, perfect. So now we're just gonna flip this bad bitch back around.
You should have used that foam to cover the hole so water doesn't get in there. You know when you put the lid, there's a hole. I think you're supposed to put the light bulb through first. How are you gonna put the lid? Or disconnect it?
I was gonna say I could just. Oh, this one doesn't come with gummy covers, huh? The other headlights I bought did come with gummy covers. But I'm returning this. So now that we tested it, this kid could be no, it's gonna be a little harder than I thought. Yeah, it's not gonna fit. That would have been smart. That could have been smart, kid. That could have been smart. I'm gonna place the balance of shit. These two go in here. So, child, while we put this back together, what you been doing in your quarantine? Since you can't leave the house unless my job's still open, so I'm still.
I've been doing nothing.
Think about getting a job for now, or what should I? So lock that bad bitch there. I've just been playing games all fucking day, which is sad because I need to get back on this grind and lose weight again. We'll try again.
Make our new gym, huh?
I'm thinking about making a gym here somewhere. Alright, that's back together. We're going to leave that like that because I want to adjust the headlight. Can't do it because it's not dark, but at least we can like kind of lift it up a little bit. This shit's pointing straight to the ground. So
oh, it's pointing to the ground?
basically. License and registration, sir.
Oh, excuse me, sir.
Sir, why are you not wearing a
I'm
mask?
wearing a mask.
Pull around so I can get in the car. Alright, y'all. We're on quarantine life. Okay. Yeah. ¿Quieres pollo? No. ¿No? Yo sí. His car got the corona. Miss Rona infecting cars, y'all. Be careful out there. No. I just have mine on because I don't want to carry it. Hi, sir. Uber for AutoZone?
Yes, sir.
Alright, cool. Oh, it smells kind of good in here. What the heck?
Does it?
Feels like a new car. Alright, y'all. Okay, chicos. Oh.
Alright, let's go. We ain't got that much time.
You think? It's only 1 o'clock.
Oh, yeah, you.
Wait.
No, it's 2.
It's only 2 o'clock. No, I got 3 hours. Anyways, guys, we're going to AutoZone right now.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're going to buy supplies and we'll be back. I don't want to record in there because everything that's going on, but we'll be back. Alright, guys, we got the goods here, which means we're going to have to take the other headlight off because I have to put the little bulbs in, but it's okay. Got the long life Sylvania. I got those 2 parking lights, the one for the top and the one for the bottom. And then we're gonna try this one. We couldn't find clear coat. They didn't have a clear coat with the UV. So they probably have it at Home Depot or some shit like that. But I'm pretty sure the depot is closed. Basically, this one has everything we need. There's the kit right there. So we're gonna try this as soon as we get home. And then we're making some carne asada today.
Yeah.
so we're just gonna be vibing. I have work in like 2.5 hours, but oh well. All right, we'll see you guys when we get to the house. Alright chicos, we're back. I'm gonna install the other headlight. Got these as you guys saw in the car. I just remembered I told you guys. These ones go on that side because that one's missing it. But since this one's already off, we're gonna do this one first. Because I have to take off the entire thing on that side. So, you guys don't need to see this again. We're just gonna do this real quick.
So
we'll be back when we're
Alright guys, we're gonna start off on the
headlight. I already cleaned them off with some all-purpose cleaner, some APC. So directions say apply lens clarifying compound. The white one. This señor, no ves que estamos haciendo Hollywood aquí. Anyways, we're gonna apply the lens clarifying compound. It says apply lens clarifying compound to a cotton cloth and rub over entire lens using firm pressure. Buff with a clean clarity towel. Restore only one lens at a time. If lens turns clear, we move on to 3. But if it's not, we got another step. So I doubt this is gonna do it, but I don't have terry cloths. I think we're all out of terry cloths. So we'll use.
The hell are terry cloths?
You know those white towels we bought, or the colored towels?
Oh, those rough ones?
Yeah.
Why do you need rough ones? Squirt, so like kind of like sandpaper.
Yeah. So we're gonna apply some
technical difficulties. Great. You need help with that?
Oh, I'm an expert. The thing with products like this, it's just all experimental. Get about 4 little dollops.
This is the before. Just in case if it works.
And we're gonna start. Oh, I got some on the paint already. That's already a bad time. I mean, it looks somewhat better. Let's get some more on there. Smell some on the actual headlight. $4. Here we try again.
I think it is looking better. So wait, what does it say to do it till it looks better?
If it looks clean. I may actually do the third step even if it doesn't look that clean. Because it's still looking a little hazy even after we clean it.
Yeah.
So, we'll see what happens as I clean it off. I mean, it looks a little bit better. I'm gonna take the clean side here and buff it off.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. That actually looks really good.
Let's see the difference. Oh yeah.
God damn, that's like crystal clear. Okay. Alright y'all, so this is cleanser, spray lubricant. Put some on the green pad. It's like clay barn.
basically it's gonna close out our video today.
That's gonna be it for today, guys. Not tomorrow, Monday. We're gonna try to crack these headlights open and clean them out from the inside. As you can see, they're disgusting. And we're gonna try to reseal them.
Yeah, we're gonna like wash them and everything. Try to get everything out.
We'll probably try to do both. If we want to.
Yeah.
So,
So catch us in the next vlog.